Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. RX 5500 XT Gaming OC 4G and then hit enter. After that this graphic card search on this website and then click on the product and then click on name of click on this title and then click on support. Then it is completed, then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that this is installing, it will take some time and it is completed all driver, then restart your system.